You just mad because I'm giving fish. You get mad because I'm giving tuna, tilapia, now perch, salmon, bass.
No, not that way. It's not like that. You get the Benji fish.
If I had some hoop earring fish, I would set it off. Some big old hoop earrings. Because I'm wearing this way to work. And I'm going to gag them. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I am sincerely Nicole. I lied, guys. It's me, Niko, and today I'm going to be giving you guys this tutorial here, which is inspired by both Nicki Minaj and also Thomas Halbert here on YouTube and social media. So this is kind of a melted candy corn candy. This is a melted candy frosting look that I was inspired to do. Plus, I'm going to go to work and we are in a candy theme mode for today. So kill two birds with one stone. And I'm going to take this wig to work and I'm going to gag everybody at work. They're gonna think fish walked in to come and show the girls how to give candy realness. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial here and you guys are interested in me, make sure you guys stick around and watch this video. Also, before you do so, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button below. Be a part of the XO Squad where it's always lit. Here on this side of YouTube, you never know what you're gonna get. If you want to see me on your news feed and you want to see me at a Benji cunt mess, hit that subscribe button and join the XO Squad. If you guys are some oldies but goodies and you guys are returning subscribers, make sure you guys turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss out on any videos like this as well too. You'll be notified. Like again, I'll be disappearing for personal reasons and I'm back and I'm giving you guys lit fire. So hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on anything else that I'm uploading throughout the week for Halloween. And give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, I'm going to end this little intro here for you guys and jump right on into the tutorial. Alright, so right now I look like a naked mole rat. No facial hair, period. And that's because it's October. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on into doing this look. I was inspired by Thomas Halbert and a little bit of Nicki Minaj. Roman Revenge album to kind of create this look. So I'm pull majority of my inspiration from Thomas Halbert and then a little bit of inspiration from Nicki Minaj. Color scheme from Nicki Minaj. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wet n Wild paint pot in white and I'm just gonna go ahead and wait, before I even get that far, I ain't even prime my face. What am I doing? Jesus, it's been so long. It's been so long. Now I'm ready. I'm going to go in with the white paint pot from Wet n Wild and this small little lip detail brush. And I'm just going to start carving out a design that sparks interest for me. I already blocked out this brown. I didn't add any product over it because I'm going to take the white paint over it to block it out completely, and then of course I'm going to set everything from there out. But it is blocked. Taking this Morphe M421 that's clean, I'm just going to kind of clean up a little bit where I want. I'm going to use a little bit of brush cleanser to carve out details that I want in this look. I'm going to take this Bare Minerals powder. This is their Mineral Veil finishing powder. And I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to set this cream. Alright, so I'm back. I look a little crazy. Don't worry about the gradient or the fadeness of this white. I am going to clean that up with the foundation, but the main purpose is to get the blocking and the coverage going and then add color and then go back and clean up with foundation. So I'm going to take the Aphrodite palette from Sharp Touch. This is a Huda dupe. I'm going to take the shade Flirt in Flamingo out of this palette, and I'm going to be adding that on top of the face. This is going to be the color, of course. So I'm going to take the color Blushing first. I'm just going to simply apply and blend. So I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is from Sephora. This is the number 15. And I'm going to take that same Flirt color and I'm going to just start building this little melting teardrop. Right now it's all about getting it to be very bright, vibrant and colorful. We're going to clean up this later. I'm just making sure the edges are also very vibrant. So I'm going to go ahead and take the foundation of my choice for today, and it is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in D70. I'm going to take that with the Morphe M21 brush, and I'm just going to start carving and cleaning out the face, just making this pop even more on my skin tone. Alright, so the face is cleaned and carved out the way that I want it. I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation all over the rest of the face. I'm going to be using the same exact foundation before and a beauty sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply. I'm going to leave this area right here bare because I'm thinking about doing something extra AF. But for right now, I think this is a really good blend for everything. I am going to add concealer on in just a second. But before I do so, I'm going to do some shading and lighting on my face. So I'm going to go back into that Aphrodite palette, and I'm going to take the shade called Seduction. I'm going to take it on a bullet brush, and I'm going to start shading areas where I feel like I want to kind of have the face lifted off of the skin a little bit. Another reason why I'm going in with brown and not just black is because I feel a lot more comfortable applying browns to my skin and then going in with black for more depth and saturation, then going in with straight black and then trying to blend it completely out. It's really hard to go from dark to light, so taking something close to my skin tone and applying it as close as I can to the the concept or the whole ordeal and then blending it out and then going back in with black will make this be more saturated and more shaded in depth than just going in with straight black and trying to blend it completely out. If you kind of get what I'm trying to say. Taking a more detailed pencil, actually I'm not going to take that one. Taking a more detailed pencil brush, I'm going to take the shade Heartbreak, which is the black, and I'm just going to go in and start shading more depth into that seduction color. Taking the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in the color Pure Intentions from the Goth and Gloom collection, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with this. Got an idea. Okay, so it just hit me. Then I'm going to contour with this Lancome Dual Finish powder in 560 Suede C. Taking some of that Bare Minerals powder, go ahead and cut my cheek. And I'm gonna work on this eye now. I'm gonna take that Lust shade first. Then I'm gonna switch over to my Dose of Colors Blushing Berry palette, and I'm gonna take the shade called Roseberry. Going into that Seduction shade, I'm gonna pop that right in the crease, lower. Stamp it first. Okay, so my camera died in the midst of me doing this, but I added some liquid lipsticks from NYX as the confetti all over my body or all of my face in general. I am going to line the lash line. This side I'm going to use the Fenty Fly Liner since it's more smokier vibes. On this side, I'm going to take a liquid lipstick in the shade Sandstorm from NYX, and I am going to do a liner on this eye. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using MAC Cork Lip Liner, and then I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. And then the Urban Decay Lip Gloss in Back Talk, the High Shine Gloss in Back Talk. Dipping back into my Dose of Colors Blushing Berries, I'm going to take that Roseberry color and I'm just going to use that as blush. Taking mixed berry, and I'm going to drape this in my contour area for more sculptness to this look. Then for a highlight, I'm going to be using the ABH Aurora palette. I'm going to dip into this for like the second time. I rarely reach for this palette because of the color scheme of it, but I got it from TJ Maxx. It's legit. I checked the SKUs and I got it for 14 bucks. I'm going to take the color Spectrum. Give one more spray. Gonna go ahead and hop off camera, add lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this tutorial. I hope you guys, I don't know how y'all can keep hair out y'all face when y'all wear lip gloss. This is just ridiculous. I can't deal with this. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. There are many more to come for Halloween. Again, thank you guys for sticking around with me. I know I've been kind of MIA on social media, particularly here, but I have been very much active on Twitter and Instagram, so definitely go and follow me over there. They're both THRU. I would love to see you guys' faces and comments over there as well too. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one.